cooking demo a little bit early, and that's okay, because this is going to take about a little bit of time to cook. So right now what we're doing is we're getting our onions ready. Yeah, you're fine. We're kind of getting our onions ready. And pre-cooking them so they're nice and soft and tender, because no one likes hard onions in their chicken pot pie. We gotta cook these first, kiddo. Okay, can you hand me the corn? And you can add the corn.
But Mom,
What?
why don't you tell my something?
Well, you can introduce yourself. You can talk.
I'm scared.
What?
Oh, maybe you will.
This is my daughter Carmen. She's gonna help me tonight. We'll go ahead and pour in some corn. Now this is the frozen. If you have cans, you can use that as well.
Corn!
Just gonna pour a bunch in there. Just stand that up so it doesn't spill anywhere. All I put in here was a little bit of oil. Alright, Carmen, I need the peas next. It shouldn't take long. This pan is nice and hot. This is our stainless steel skillets that we're using right here. New, you can get the set as well. Comes with a saucepan and a frying pan. So I'm going to go ahead and add some peas to this. I already pre-cooked my chicken as well. What's Stacy talking about? I'm just pouring a bunch in. Basically, we're just going to cooking them a little bit. Here. The dog will probably eat those up later. Alright, Carmen, I need the chicken broth, please. The first step to making your chicken pot pie is obviously to do all the prep work. Yep. And then to make the gravy, so we can go ahead and add our broth to this. Everyone makes it different. Let me know what you put in your chicken pot. Carmen, I need the carrots too, babe. Yep. Just take a little. And we're going to actually turn this up because we got to get this in the oven. This will take about a half hour to cook. So right here, guys. Onions are looking good. I used the Rapid Prep mandolin for the carrots. It is 15% off until the 12th. I don't need that much. I put those ones in there. Alright, so we're going to let this cook a little bit. For a few minutes here. Let me know what you like in your chicken pot pie. And we're going to add some seasonings here. How are we doing?
Talk about the seasonings.
Yep. Just a little bit, though. You don't need a lot, okay? Alright, go ahead and pour some pepper.
Ooh, pepper.
Just a little bit, not a lot.
Just a little bit? Okay.
Yep. Alright, that's good, Carmen. That's a lot. This is rosemary herb that we're adding. We'll put those away.
This here?
Yep. We'll add some thyme to this. You cannot have a chicken dish like this without the thyme. And we're going to add a tiny bit of salt. We don't need a lot of salt because there's already salt in the chicken broth. Alright, then we're going to go ahead and mix this up.
I can get the salt.
Already done.
Where is it?
It's up here.
I don't see it.
It's right here. Can you please go see what Macy's barking here? Alright, so this is going to cook. We are going to add a tad bit flour to thicken this up a little bit as well, because we want like a gravy-like consistency. So we only need like a tablespoon.
This turkey's outside. She's talking with them.
But I'm just eyeballing it here. Can I put that in the closet, please?
This turkey's outside, but she's
Okay.
right down.
We're going to give that a good mix. And let that thicken up a little bit and let that all cook. Those flavors kind of meld together. We have to, we can always add some more broth. We got plenty of it. Then we're going to go ahead
What
and...
are those?
What? Don't worry about it. Adding our chicken here. So I did kind of shred the chicken here. You can dice it or shred it, however you prefer. It's been thawing all day, so I just used our mix and chop spatula. I threw the whole breast in. There's 3 breasts here. I cooked the breasts all the way, and then I just used the mix and chop to chop it up. Save on pan and save on dishes. Carmen, let them alone. She has a birthday on Saturday, so help me wish her a happy birthday. How old are you going to be?
7.
Yep. 7 years old. You could do this with any type of meat if you wanted to. You try this with beef. You might want to change the vegetables though. These vegetables are typically your normal, I believe. I found out the other day that people actually will put cauliflower or broccoli in their chicken pot pie. It's all about what you prefer. And the trick to your pot pie is that good balance of those veggies and that protein, right? So I'm actually going to preheat my oven to 350. And the nice thing too about this is that the hard part I think is the prep work, right? Cutting all the veggies, making sure they're all done. But you can go easy and do all frozen. This does not have to be a hard thing to make, especially when you're a busy family like we are. We might add some more chicken in here. I feel like that balances a little off here. But once that flour cooks, it's going to help to thicken up that gravy a little bit. We can always add more if needed. You can tell I'm not looking off a recipe. I'm just doing this for my own total about cooking. Yeah, we're going to add a little bit more broth in here. Alright, stop eating the frozen vegetables, please. I want to make sure it's at least covered. And we're actually going to make this in our stone pie plates. From Pampered Chef. This is a brand new product that launched this fall. It's a purple plum color. Hey guys, thanks for watching. So we have our onion, carrots, peas, and corn, chicken, some broth, some seasonings. We did pepper, salt, thyme, and a rosemary herb seasoning blend. And we added some flour to help thicken up our gravy a little bit. And that's much better of a balance. How you doing? So this is what we're looking at, guys, right here. It looks delicious. That is our filling for our pie. And we're going to go ahead and let this thicken up a little bit more. Some people like it runny and thin. That's totally up to you. But now the fun part is putting the actual pie together. So I did cheat and I did not I am using a frozen pie crust because I just honestly don't have the time to make a pie crust. But pie crust is not that hard. It just requires a little bit of patience, which I don't always have. But we're going to go ahead. I may add a little bit more flour to this to let it thicken up a little bit. Where's the flour? Did you put the flour away? Come in. Come on, hurry up, please. I gotta get this in the oven. Where did you put it?
Is this it?
No.
Is this it?
Yes. She's a good helper because I tell them all the time when you're done with the ingredient. No, because I don't want you burning yourself. And I don't want you to put too much. Alright, come here. I'll help you. I tell them when they're finished with the ingredient to put it away, and she put it away. Alright, go ahead and pour a little bit in.
Yay, flour.
Alright, here. So this is just all regular baking flour, all-purpose flour, whatever you want to call it. The flour is going to help to thicken up that gravy a little bit. As it cooks. Hopefully, that's the goal. It'll thicken up too once it cools off a little bit as well. Alright, we'll go ahead and fill up our pie. So if you wanted to do this a fun and easy, quick way without making a big mess, grab a ladle or a scoop and kind of just fill up your pie crust. Now this is kind of a smaller pie crust. I didn't realize that when I bought them. So I'm actually going to fill this up a little bit over. Probably should take the, hold on. I don't know if I can now. I should take it out of the aluminum can. Alright, we're just going to keep filling it. All the way as much as we can. And then we'll go ahead and layer on top. I should have just made the homemade crust. It's totally fine. We'll make do with what we got. Yeah, this isn't quite close, but that's alright. You can pinch it together. Pinch it together. You might want to leave like a little space in there so the air bubbles can get out. The heat can kind of escape a little bit. There you have it, guys. Easy, simple chicken pot pie ready to go. I am going to, you can brush it with like an egg white if you want to. Can you get an egg white out, please?
Hurry up. What?
Or, you know, I'm just going to use oil. I'll just brush it with oil. This is the same thing.
Oh, can I do it?
You want to brush it with oil? Alright.
What do
Go
I do?
ahead. Just brush the top of it.
Okay.
Yep, all the way. The whole thing, Carmen. You need some more oil?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Make sure you get the edges, too. So I have enough for, I can make another one. I could throw some potatoes in here if I wanted to as well, or throw some rice in here and kind of make like a little casserole dish. I actually do have hash browns I could throw in. Oh, that should be good. Alright, we're going to throw this in the oven and let it cook for about a half hour.
Why do you like squeeze it to make the oil?
Because that's what it is. Alright guys, that is my chicken pot pie for tonight. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.